mga katrops, welcome to Brooklyn. Brooklyn Homes dito sa Lethbridge, Alberta. Ito yung Brooklyn Homes mga katrops. At pupunta tayo dito sa may open house. Alright, stay tuned and rock and roll. Yan mga katrops, ito yung bagong mga model na bahay. Oh. Yung Brooklyn. Yeah, pasok tayo dito sa loob. Yeah. Here we go.
The paper is not ready.
Quiet, let's go inside. Hi, hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Take a look around. Let me
Yeah,
know.
can we take video?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Oh, this is the washroom. How many bedrooms is this one?
It's 3 beds, 2 baths.
Two.
So the two, it's downstairs.
This is the master bedroom?
Up in a bathroom. and
Wow.
a bathroom in the
Look at this one, Kathleen. It's a master bedroom. Oh, look at the closet. Go check it out.
The backyard is so small.
What?
Look at the.
I like it. Less work.
It's too bad.
There's a deck over there, mga katrops.
This is not. It is connect.
Oh, really? Disconnect? Are you sure?
It connects to other bathroom.
Oh, it's connected. Oh, yeah. See? There's a connection, mga katrops. Wow.
This is not the second bathroom.
This is second bathroom.
No, this is not the second bathroom.
Oh,
This is the fourth bathroom.
let's close it. Oh, be careful, kid. It's okay. Oh, what's that, kid?
It connects in the first
Yeah.
bathroom.
Okay, come on, let's go this way.
Almost.
Okay, here we go with the
It's so
backyard.
small.
Yeah, look at that. There's a garage over here. See? Wow, look at this. You like it?
What's that size?
Yeah. See, ito yung gusto ko mga katops kasi maliit lang yung ano mo, oh. Yung load mo, saka gagawin mo dito. Okay lang to. Okay lang sa akin to. Yeah. Let's go check it out. Let's go.
The password.
What's the password? Wow. I like it. Small backyard for small family. Hi, Kathleen.
No, it's more second.
Ang ganda to. Mayroon ng deck. Oh. Galagay ka ng mga puan dyan. Tsaka yung ano, barbecue. Okay na to. Pwede na. Kaya ito naman yung basement mga katrops. Oh. Yun. Oh, wow. There's a one bedroom here. Nice big window. Right down. Oh, there's a washroom. Okay. Oh no, it's a closet. I thought it's a washroom.
Is this
Brooklyn style.
Ilang phone ko?
I don't know. You see? Oh wow. This other closet.
Look, you can.
Yeah. I like it. I like it. Wow. Look at this. See? Mga katabs, may washroom na rin dito. Oh, pwede na to. Yeah. Ito yung labahan yata eh. No. Storage. Yan. Alright.
Can we go out of house?
Yeah, let's go. Alright mga katrops, kakatapos natin dito sa Brooklyn Homes. Ayun yung mga tribe na mga balay dito mga katrops. Yan o, parang nasa Brooklyn talaga na lugar eh. Yan, hanggang dito na siguro yung munting vlog natin sa Brooklyn Homes dito lang sa Lethbridge, Alberta. Stay tuned and rock and roll!
Video, please like and subscribe.
Rock and roll!